Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a snapshot. Export the dashboard JSON or a CSV backup so you can revert. Next, audit the top 3 KPIs and remove any widgets that no longer drive decisions. Once done, pick a cohesive style, a single primary color, a legible font, and a 16:9 grid to align content. You're taking action now. Small edits first, then structure, which prevents messy rework and keeps the interface focused on what matters. You'll now reorganize the middle of the job. Group related widgets into single containers so context stays together and scanning is faster. Replace oversized, slow visuals with lightweight SVG or canvas charts to improve responsiveness. Then standardize spacing on an 8-pixel grid and use 0.5 rem gutters for consistent rhythm. Make sure to test on a smaller screen as you go. This reduces surprises. These detailed executions finish by polishing text, adding microcopy for labels, placeholders, and hover hints so users immediately understand controls. Run a performance check aiming for under 2 seconds load time and tweak data queries or caching if needed. Before publishing, run interactive tests and gather quick feedback from one user. If things go wrong, use your backups or flip the feature flag to roll back immediately. This single troubleshooting move restores the previous state fast and buys you time to fix the issue without user impact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.